Here's a question about pizzas. I call them pizzas, not pizzas. An old pizza menu from the 1960s lists the following prices for plain cheese pizzas. Tomorrow, I go to the store to buy some cheese to make pizza pies over the weekend. And here it is. I'm not going to charge this to myself. I have to pay for the ingredients. But anyway, we're going to say X is the diameter. I just put DIAM. And Y is the price. Can I make this it's too thick? Okay. So let's look at this equation. It says assume that the price is a quadratic function. Wait, it's getting even thicker. Wait a minute, let me fix this. How do I get a thinner brush? AX squared plus BX plus C equals Y. That's the equation. So I'm going to write this stuff over here. Let me make this smaller so I can get more room. And then I'll look at the prices of the pizzas like this. Okay. So here it is. 8-inch pizza is 85 cents. So for an 8-inch pizza, the equation is A times x squared. I've already written that. AX squared plus BX plus C. So if the diameter is 8, x is the diameter, 8 squared is 64. So this is going to be 64A plus 8B plus C equals, and what was that price again for that pizza? 85 cents. Now for the second one, this is a 10-inch diameter, so it's going to be A times 10 squared, or 100A, plus 10B, because again, x is 10, plus C equals, there's no x by the C, and that comes out to $1.15. $1.15. And then the third one says it's 13, so it's going to be 13 squared times A, 169. You do that on your calculator, times A, plus 13B plus C equals, and what is that one in cost? $1.75? $1.75. So you've got to set up a matrix with this, and I will send you a link, or I will post a link that shows how to solve matrices on a TI Inspire. Find a reduced row echelon format, and then that will tell you what the values of each A, B, C are. But here they are, 64, 8, C, times 1C, not times 1, C is times 1, so it's 64, 8, 1, and I put 0.85. And then I put 100, 10, 1, C, it's 1 times C is $1.15. And then the last one is 1, 6, 9, 13, 1, and $1.75. And this bracket is too small. So watch the video on how to use a TI Inspire to solve this matrix or turn it into reduced row echelon format. I also have a link here to do this. And I've got one, I've already entered it, so here it is. Here's a 64, the 8, the 1, and the 85, and so forth, all the values. Calculate it, and hopefully you don't have to do it by hand, but it comes out to 100.01, 010. This means that's the C value, negative 0.03, and 001.45, if my memory is serving me correct. Okay, so that means this is A, this is B, this is C. So it's going to be 0.01 x squared minus 0.03x plus 0.45. AX squared A is 0.01 times x squared minus, or times b, plus bx. B is negative 0.03, so minus 0.03x plus 0.45 equals your price. So that's the particular equation, and that is part A. So there's part A. On this paper it's already done, but there's part A. There we go, equals y. Okay, very good. Part B says, if they had made a 16-inch diameter pizza, what would the price have been? We'll just plug in 16. 0.01 times 16 squared is 256. Minus 0.03 times 16 plus 0.45. And that comes out to, let me do it somewhere here. .01 times 16 squared minus 0.03 times 16 plus 0.45. Is that it? Yes. And that comes out to $2.53. That's part C. Did I get that right? Is 16 times 16 256? Oh, it is. How wonderful. Okay. So that's the answer to part C is $2.53.